Hi, it's Hillary from Helping with Happiness. We are going to make these yummy, cute little reindeer cookies. These are actually made from the same dough as our Cadbury Mini Egg cookie bars. Instead of making them into cookie bars like we do in our Best Ever Babysitter Cookbook, we are making them in the shape of cookies, and we threw the holiday version of the Cadbury Mini Eggs on as the nose, and we'll show you how we do the rest of the dough. So let me know in the comments, are you making these as the Cadbury Easter egg bars, or are you making them as these cute little reindeer? I want to know all about it. And are you bringing them to a friend? Are you bringing them to a cookie exchange? Are you making them for Santa Claus? Just tell me all the fun things that you're doing. Make sure you like this and give us a subscribe so you don't miss any more of our fun things.